Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I have here. This is a Faraday bags case for keys, key fob things, or anything. But I'm going to show you what it is here and how these work. Okay, everything's out of the box. This is the instructions here. I don't know if it really needs a whole lot of instructions, but you can put your car key in it, and that's kind of what it's, to hopefully do. So somebody doesn't steal your car code and what. So you have this little case here, and it's Velcro, and it's got the little clip on it, and you've got this pocket right up in there, and you can connect your key up to the key ring, and then you have that clip it onto something, and then you have a little mini Faraday cage, which will keep somebody from stealing your car key code if you're somewhere. So these are kind of nice to have, and it's actually kind of nice just to even have it so you can clip it onto your belt or whatever, and you always have your key with you. My kids have cars that use those remotes and stuff, and I don't know, people like with these little devices that are stealing codes and things nowadays. Well, you won't have to worry about that with this, so this will be good. So let's see, it says, put the key into the pocket and clip it on and close it and fold it over. And make sure to use the Faraday bag in the above method, or it can't block the signal. So kind of cool that it blocks the signal like that. You could also use it for like credit cards or licenses or something like that. So if you're gonna go to a bar or whatever, if people are have those credit card skimmers, you can avoid them. You'll always know you're protected by putting it in there and closing it up. And you have this to protect it. So kind of good, almost like a little wallet that you could take with you if you're going out at night. Put your wallet, your license, and credit card in there, and then you don't have to worry about somebody stealing your information. So I'm gonna say these are nice. Comes with a set of 2, so you're good to go if you get these. Very good, thumbs up.